Before drones became symbols of modern warfare, they already existed more than 100 years ago. No pilots, no cameras, no remote control as we know it today. Just wood, wires, gyroscopes, and a radical idea that would change war forever. This is the story of US drones, from the very first experiments to the next generation of autonomous combat aircraft. Early and experimental Curtiss Sperry aerial Torpedo, one of the very first unmanned aircraft in history. Developed during World War I, it used gyroscopes to maintain stability and fly toward a preset target. Although never used in combat, it proved that pilotless aircraft were technically possible. Hewitt Sperry automatic airplane, an early experimental unmanned aircraft designed to test automatic flight control that demonstrated stable, guided flight without a pilot on board. This project laid the foundation for future drone autopilot systems. Kettering Bug, 1918, often described as the world's first cruise missile. The aircraft flew a calculated distance, then shut off its engine and dove onto the target. Its design strongly influenced later autonomous weapons, target and training. Radioplane OQ-2, 1937. The first mass-produced American drone. It was used as an aerial target for training pilots and anti-aircraft gunners. Thousands were built, proving drones could be produced on an industrial scale. Radioplane OQ-3, an improved version of the OQ-2 with better reliability. It continued serving as a target drone for military training. This model helped standardize unmanned aircraft operations before World War II. Interstate TDR-1, 1942. One of the first combat-capable attack drones. It was remotely guided to strike ships and ground targets in the Pacific. The TDR-1 proved drones could be used offensively in real combat. Cold War. Firebee I, 1951, a jet-powered drone developed during the early Cold War. Originally a target drone, it later evolved into a reconnaissance platform. The Firebee became one of the most successful drone families ever built. Ryan Model 147 Lightning Bug, a reconnaissance drone used extensively during the Vietnam War. It conducted high-risk surveillance missions over heavily defended territory. Thousands of missions were flown without risking pilot lives. BQM-34 Firebee II, an upgraded version of the Firebee platform. It featured improved performance, range, and sensor capability. This drone became a backbone of U.S. unmanned reconnaissance. BQM-34L, Vietnam War. A specialized reconnaissance variant of the Firebee. It gathered intelligence deep inside enemy airspace. These missions demonstrated the strategic value of drones in modern warfare. Modern MQ-1 Predator, the drone that changed modern warfare. It combined long-endurance surveillance with precision strike capability. The Predator became a symbol of 21st-century drone operations. MQ-9 Reaper, a larger and more powerful successor to the Predator. It carries heavier payloads and advanced sensors. The Reaper is designed for long-duration strike and surveillance missions. MQ-8 Fire Scout, an unmanned helicopter designed for naval operations. It can take off and land vertically from ships. The Fire Scout provides reconnaissance and targeting support for naval forces. Next-gen RQ-170 Sentinel, a stealth reconnaissance drone built to penetrate defended airspace. Its flying wing design greatly reduces radar visibility. The Sentinel represents the shift towards stealthy unmanned surveillance. MQ-25 Stingray, a carrier-based unmanned aircraft designed primarily for aerial refueling. It extends the operational range of manned fighter jets. The MQ-25 marks a major step in integrating drones into carrier aviation. Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA, a new generation of autonomous combat drones. Designed to fly alongside manned fighters as loyal wingmen. CCA represents the future of air combat, where humans and AI fight together.